Hi, this is Tom White, and today I want to talk to you about buying a new HVAC unit. If you're like the hundreds of people that I know, you're probably worried about this new phase out of the R-22 Freon. Okay, R-22 Freon has been phased out. If you don't know about it, it's a big deal because now air conditioners are going to have to use a more safer R410A refrigerant, which is going to basically help our environment a little bit more. In the process, it might hurt your pocketbook. There's nothing we can do about it. So now all air conditioning units are going to use what has been a more expensive refrigerant, which the price is dropping because we're having to use so much more of it. We're going to have to use that to get through the new system. So any system that you have, that you're using, is going to probably be 410A for a regular home Freon, and it's going to be a little bit more high pressure. The good news is it's probably going to be a better air conditioner than they had before, and it's going to be a quieter air conditioner than they had before. And now the price of 410 is going to be going lower. If you have a pre-existing unit, those are usually built, I believe, before 2010. It has Freon, which has a R22 refrigerant, or called Freon. You're kind of sitting in a tough spot right now. And then a lot of times you're going to have to buy an HVAC unit. We work with the top service techs for HVAC systems. So if you do find yourself having to buy an HVAC system, give me a call. We can get you hooked up and find you the best price on a new unit. Hope this helps.